What's up, y'all? I'm Nathan Tembo, and we're kicking it with Club Dodgeball.
All right, my name is Max. I'm the vice president this year, captain for 2 years.
All right, so you've been involved for a couple years, you're saying, right?
Yeah, love the sport. I've been playing for 3 years total. I've been on the OT6 for 3 years now.
So I know growing up, people kind of like played dodgeball in high school and stuff like that. How's it different playing club dodgeball?
If you look around, this definitely isn't a kid sport right now. A lot of college guys out here playing, so it's very competitive.
How do you even get involved?
A lot of people get involved through Campus Fest. That's one of our big recruiting events. We practice Monday and Thursdays at 9:30 to 11, so it's a little bit later after class. People have free time at that time.
Tell us more about how do you play dodgeball? Like, what are you guys doing?
So we're playing a basketball court like this. We have 3 lines. We have the attack line on the far side and the near side, and then we have the neutral side. Okay, so the one side is the opponent's team. You can go up to your opponent's attack line and throw from there. It's a 30-foot throw line, so the ball's coming real fast, but you get the chance to catch it or hit it. The other thing is, we have a blocking rule. You got to cleanly block the ball. So if I throw a ball, you have to block it away from you, and the ball becomes dead once it hits the ground. But if you hit someone, they're out. If you catch a ball, it's like always, you stay in, and the other person who threw the ball is out, and one person on your team gets to come in.
So I just want to address this question. I feel like, what's the deal with headshots? Is that fair game or?
It is fair game. We don't encourage it, but yes, it's fair game. Technically, the player's still out, but we always make sure that person's all right.
So you guys practice dodging, throwing, and everything like that, right?
Oh yeah, 5 days of dodgeball. Anyone can play. It's a co-ed sport. We have about 6 girls who consistently come, and if you look over there, we have a lot of people here today.
So you said you guys go to nationals. So
yes.
you guys travel around the...
We do a lot of traveling. We'll go on the weekends for our tournaments. We've gone as far as Kentucky and VCU.
Okay.
So yeah, a lot of fun, but still very competitive. Everyone's trying their best out here.
That's sweet.